Hello, and I'm at Hitchin on the East Coast Mainline. Today we'll be seeing services by London North Eastern Railway, Thameslink, Great Northern, and hopefully some freight as well. So, let's spot some trains. Okay, right there is the LNER Azuma service from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross, about to pass by. That was 801-213. Not 801-203. So it was 801-213. Okay, right, there is the LNER Azuma service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley, about to pass by. 800-108. And right there is the service from Doncaster West Yard to Southall WCR, about to pass by. 47808. No, 47802 I meant.
Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 1.
And here is the 1420 Thameslink service being worked by a class 700-154. I have no idea where this is off to. It says it's off to Cambridge. I didn't see this on real-time trains, so this might be the service from Brighton to Cambridge. I'm not sure. I'll tell you when it departs, hopefully. Okay, so now departing is the 1421 Thameslink service, and I believe this is the service from Brighton to Cambridge. Okay, right, there's the LNER Azuma service from London King's Cross to Leeds, about to pass by. 801-111 leading and 801-102 trailing. Okay. Next train to arrive is going to be the 1431 Thameslink service from Peterborough to London King's Cross.
At the front of the train. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding. This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on
700-148. (1432) Thameslink service from Peterborough to London King's Cross is now departing, and right there is the Great Northern service from London King's Cross to King's Lynn, about to pass by, being worked by a lot of class 387s. 387-116 is leading, 122 in the middle, and 387-124 trailing. Okay, right, there is the 1433 Thameslink service from Cambridge to London King's Cross. being worked by class 700. Oh, and thanks for that two-tone. 700-041.
Okay, thank you, Josh.
£14.35 Thameslink service from Cambridge to London King's Cross is departing with some fantastic two-tones. Thank you very much. Okay, right there is the 1443 Thameslink service from London King's Cross to Peterborough. Being worked by a class 700. £700-143. So the 1445 Thameslink service from London King's Cross to Peterborough is now departing. The next train to pass by is going to be a Great Northern, lot of class 387s, working service from King's Lynn to London King's Cross. It's a pair. 387-111 leading and 387-110 trailing.
Platform 2 for the 1450 Thameslink service to Cambridge. This train is formed of 8 coaches, calling at Letchworth, Garden City, Bulldog, Cambridge.
And right there is the 1447 Thameslink service from London King's Cross to Cambridge,
First class accommodation
being worked by a class 700.
Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding.
And back there is the LNER Zoomer service from Newcastle to London King's Cross, basically at a halt. And 700-058 is bringing in this Thameslink service. Azuma service from Newcastle to London King's Cross is now departing. Well, not really departing, but you know what I mean. Leaving. (801-219). And right there is an LNER Azuma service. I don't know where this is off to. I'll have to tell you in the next clip. 801 something. Let me try and get a number. 801-215, I think. Not sure. 1450 Thameslink service from London King's Cross to Cambridge is now departing. Okay, right there is the 1456 Thameslink service from Cambridge to Brighton, being worked by class 700.
Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding.
And that last LNER Azuma was working service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. (700-104). Okay, right there is an LNER 225 set working a service from 82-212 leading, and I think it was 91-114 trailing. That's working service from Leeds to London King's Cross, as I was trying to say. And now the 1458 Thameslink service from Cambridge to Brighton is now departing. It's great to see a 225 set. It's good to know that they're not all gone yet. Right there is LNER Azuma working the service from London King's Cross to Lincoln Central. (800-201). Okay, right there is the 1510 Thameslink service from Brighton to Cambridge, being worked by a class 700.
Accommodation is at the front of the train. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding.
(700-112). The 1512 Thameslink service from Brighton to Cambridge is now departing. Okay, right there is an LNER Zuma working service from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross, about to pass by. (801-221), I think. Okay, right there is the LNER Zuma service from London King's Cross to Leeds, about to pass by, being worked by a Zuma, as I just said. I don't know why I said that again. 801-101 leading and 801-112 trailing. Okay, right there is the Thameslink service from Peterborough to London King's Cross. It's the 1529 service.
Finsbury Park and London King's Cross. First class accommodation is at the front of the train. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding.
(700-134). The 1530 Thameslink service from Peterborough to London King's Cross is now departing. Right there is the 1532 Thameslink service from Cambridge to London King's Cross, being worked by a Class 700. (700-054). And right there is the Great Northern service from London King's Cross to King's Lynn, about to pass by, being worked by a lot of Class 387s. (387-128) leading, thanks for that. And 387-112 trailing. And that will be the final train of the video, but obviously I will wait for this Thameslink service to depart. So the 1534 Thameslink service from Cambridge to London King's Cross is now departing. So if you did enjoy the video, please do make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you wish and I'll try to respond to it when I get an opportunity to, and join my Discord server if you want to talk to me and my fans. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.